Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Bluefields, but I just wanted to show you guys the sea, and this is what you find on the coast when you're driving through Westmoreland. It's a very nice beach. I mean, Sandals built a hotel not too far from here, and one of the main reasons was because of how nice the beach was. And you have a lot of villas and tourist stuff basically in this area because of the beach. Now we're going to be driving through Bluefields, which is in Westmoreland, and Bluefields is a beach. Well, it has a beach on it in the area, so they call it the Bluefields Beach, and it's one of the nicest beaches in Jamaica. Okay, coming up now on the left, you're going to see just how beautiful this ocean is, the sea. I don't know, I keep calling it ocean. Very nice. And you can see straight ahead that's like a villa or a restaurant, or villa and restaurant. So now you can see why there are so many hotels, and the beach in the grill is actually nicer than this one. So this is just to give you an example of how beautiful Jamaica is and the western part of the country. This is Westmoreland we're driving through, and this area is Bluefields. And the north coast of Jamaica also has beaches as nice as this. But the north coast is far more developed than the south coast. From Negril all the way back to Portland, you find major hotel chains on the north coast. Okay, now you're going to see another very beautiful view of the ocean. So there's a lot of potential for development on the southern coast of Jamaica. You have on the southern coast, you have some developments in St. Elizabeth. I don't remember the name, but nothing compared to what's on the north coast. You have like a little tourist area in St. Elizabeth. I don't remember the name of it right now, but if anybody can remember, you can leave a message in the comment section below. So you're going to find, outside of Sandals White House, you're not going to find any large hotel chain in this area, not in the beaches area, Bluefields area, sorry, but you have a lot of villas, a lot of apartments that people can rent, and a few small hotels. But by far, Sandals is the only large hotel chain on this side of the island. Now when you get to Negril, oh my gosh, far more. Sandals probably has 3 locations there. Rio has about 2 locations. You name the hotel, it's probably the second or third most visited tourist destination. I'm not sure the order of which one has more hotels, but you have Ocho Rios, you have Montego Bay, and you have Negril. Those are the top destinations for tourists when they come to Jamaica. I'm not sure which one gets more traffic or which one has more hotels, but Negril is definitely up there. It has a lot of hotels. We're going to do a video on Negril, and we have numerous videos on Montego Bay and Ocho Rios up. Okay, maybe my eyes aren't good, but this car in front of us does not have a license plate on. No, it doesn't. And I have no idea how that car is driving on the main road, but the car in front of us that just overtook has no license plate on the back. So I'm telling you, if a police officer sees him, that's a ticket right there. They might even take away the car. Alright, so we're going to drive and look at the Bluefields Beach now. And this is one of the nicest beaches in Jamaica. And the government did a very good job in developing this area. Okay, this is the Bluefields Beach Port. That's the official name. Welcome to Bluefields. And there are a lot of villas and small hotels built around this area. Okay, so I think this is as far as we can go re-driving. So we're just going to show you the beach. You can see the ocean, very nice. The government did an excellent job in fixing up the facilities. You can see they're putting that fence there so that you can't drive all the way down, which is very nice. And they fenced off the beach, so you have to access the beach from through there. I don't know if you have to pay, but very nicely done. And they fixed up like a little area where you can have like restrooms, changing rooms, those kind of things. Okay, so this is Bluefields. I'm going to show you now some of the villas that we can see from the main road. Not all of them you're going to see, but just to give you an idea of the area. And these are the kind of projects that you like to see in Jamaica. Like, you have such a nice beach and you fix it up so that person will come and visit, and then the areas around it get developed. Okay, so on the left now, all of these buildings are like villas or small hotels, and they're very nice. And persons, even like a house on the right, they use it as an Airbnb. There's a very nice view of the ocean. Now, in terms of development now, I think Westmoreland needs a port where cruise ships can come in. A cruise ship port, because I'm not sure if the port in Savlamar still operates, but that would be a great place to start. I mean, renovate the port so that cruise ships can come in, or even the Negril would be better. Well, or even Bluefields, somewhere here where you can have such a nice beach. And if you come in to see Negril, you can go from Negril to Montego Bay in an hour. You can get to Ocho Rios with the Duns River Falls, those kind of things within 2 hours. So it's a great thing. Oh wow, this is a very nice view. Westmoreland needs a port. Definitely needs a cruise ship port. Doesn't need a airport, because you have Montego Bay Airport. And when you go from Negril all the way back to Ocho Rios, you have one of the nicest roads in Jamaica. The Northern Coastal Highway has no potholes, and it's actually going to be expanded to 4 lanes. And the government is going to spend more money on that project than any other road project in the history of Jamaica. That's the amount of money they're going to spend. So if you had a cruise ship coming in Negril, that would be great. I mean, Savlamar, it would be great. So hopefully something like that will happen soon. Alright, on the left now is a lot more villas. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.